Your water temperature switch on this model is an electronic version called an ATC, or automatic temperature control. Now the diagnostics on this switch are quite different than a normal switch because it has an electronic circuit board in it. You would really need to have your technical diagram and your tech sheet in order to go through the diagnostics on it. But there are other machines that do not have the automatic temperature control. They would have this style, which is just the typical rotary switch. So in this one being a manual type switch, which you'll find on a lot of machines, and it connects to all with individual wires. So it's basically a 4-position switch. And you can test this by using your wiring diagram and check to see which wires are on which terminal, and looking at your timer chart as to which contacts are closed for which water temperature you're selecting. So it's very easy to be able to diagnose this one. So that's your 2 types.